Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
General principles of toxicology. Laws related to poisons. 1. Drugs and Cosmetic Acts or Rules of 1945. 7. Schedules. Schedule C is biological and special products. Said Schedule E for which lists the poisons. Schedule F for vaccines and serum. Schedule G for hormonal preparations. Schedule H states that doctor drugs to be sold only by prescription from a registered medical practitioner. Schedule J shows the lists of diseases for the cure of which no drug shall be advertised. Schedule L for antibiotics, antihistaminics, and new chemotherapeutic agents. Narcotic Drugs or Psychotropic Substances Act. Narcotic. Narcotic legally means any preparation of or from like cannabis, cocaine, and opium.
thank you and thank you for watching.